Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage video output. In the beginning let's go to settings and now go to screen and video. Go to video output and here you can check current video output signal, information for the connected HDMI device. You can change resolution, enhance image for PS4 games, enable or disable VRR, change 120 Hz output mode, enable or disable ALLM, adjust video transfer rate. Then you can enable or disable HDR and change RGB range. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.